Hi guys! Today I've prepared a new keychain tutorial for you. You can find the information about the yarn and other details in the description box below. The button is beginner friendly and you can create a strawberry really fast. You'll need very little yarn, so it's a great way to use your leftovers. I'm going to use 2 shadows of red, but that's not necessary, you can use just one color. I've got Yarnart Jeans and some other unknown yarn, which is even a bit thinner, but that's okay. You'll also need a green yarn of a similar yardage to make the leaves. I'll also take some thin yarn of mustard color for the seeds, then scissors to cut the tails, a sewing needle, and some fiber foil to stuff the toy. If you are going to make a keychain, you'll need a keychain basis as well, and pliers to attach it. I'll start by a brighter color. I make a magic ring and then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Tighten the ring and the round is ready. Mark the round's beginning and then crochet 6 increases. It means you crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. That's the second increase. The third one. Increase number 4. The fifth one. And the last increase for this round. The round is ready. Now we are going to crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The round is ready. Now crochet 3 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The first increase 1, 2, again 1, 2, 3, the second increase, and the last time 1, 2, 3, and the last increase 1, 2. The round is ready. Now 4 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times. 3, 4, the first increase 1, 2 into the same stitch, again 1, 2, 3, 4, the second increase, and the last time 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase 1, 2. Now 5 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the first increase 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the second increase, and the last time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the final increase 1, 2. We continue increases and now we crochet 6 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, the first increase, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the second increase 1, 2, and again 1, and we are going to change the color here and continue crocheting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an increase. I fastened the thread in the process. The round is ready. Now 7 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, an increase 1, 2, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the second increase 1, 2, and the last time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the final increase. We need to crochet one more round with increases. For that, make 8 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, an increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and increase. And the last time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the final increase. That's the last round with increases, and now we need to make 3 even rounds. It means you crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. I'll skip a bit and meet you when all the even rounds are ready. So that's the end of round 12, and you need to get 30 stitches in total. We are going to start decreasing from the next round. Make 3 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times. 2, 3, and the first decrease. You can make simple decreases like that. Or you can make invisible ones. For that, insert the hook in front loops only, and then crochet as usual. I make invisible decreases, they look better for me. So let's continue crocheting. 1, 2, 3, the second decrease. Again 1, 2, 3, one more decrease. Then 3 single crochet stitches again, 1, 2, 3, a decrease. 1, 2, 3, a decrease again. 1, 2, 3, a decrease, and the round is ready. Now we need to crochet 2 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times. The first decrease, again 1, 2, the second decrease, 2 more single crochets, a decrease, then 1, 2, a decrease again, 1, 2, a decrease, and the last time 1, 2, and the last decrease for this round. One more round, and now you need to crochet a single crochet stitch, then a decrease 6 times in total. A decrease, a single crochet stitch, a decrease, one more single crochet stitch, one more decrease, a single crochet stitch, a decrease, a single crochet stitch, a decrease, and the last time a single crochet stitch and a decrease. The round is ready, and before we continue crocheting, we need to stuff the strawberry. That's the last round, and we need to crochet 6 decreases. That's the first one, the second decrease, decrease number 3, the fourth one, the fifth one, and the last decrease. That's it, pull the thread and cut it. The strawberry is ready, and we need to tighten the hole and weave in the yarn tail. Insert the thread into the needle and then insert the needle into front loops only, one by one. Now tighten a bit and then insert the needle into the center of the hole and pull the thread on the opposite side. Now fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tail. The main part is ready, and now we need to crochet the leaves. Use your green yarn for that. I'll start by 8 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now crochet 3 single crochet stitches starting from the second stitch from the hook. 2, 3, then 3 half double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. 7 chain stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 3 single crochet stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 3 half double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and a slip stitch into the first chain. Make 3 more leaves in the same way. The leaves are ready, let's make the stem. Insert the hook and pull 1 more loop on the opposite side, and then crochet one by one till you get the desired length. When the stem is ready, pull the thread through both loops. Cut the thread and pull it. Insert the thread into the needle and come out on the opposite side where the leaves are. Fasten the thread. And now we are going to sew the leaves to the strawberry. I attach the leaves and then sew each leaf one by one. After the leaves are attached, I fasten the threads and weave in the yarn tails. The strawberry is almost ready. All we need is to make seeds. I'll use 2 threads held together and then just embroider the seeds one by one. When the seeds are ready, I cut the thread, fasten by a knot, and then weave in the yarn tails. The strawberry is ready. Now I'm going to attach the keychain bases. I've got the bases and a metal ring. Just open the ring using pliers, then attach the bases and insert it into the toy. Close the ring, and that's it! Your keychain is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting with me. Thanks for your likes and comments. Don't forget to follow the channel for more tutorials. See you!